Today is Friday, March 28th, and this has been kind of something I've been thinking about a lot over the past couple weeks. Basically, the thing that I've been trying to do is to starve your attention span. That's kind of like what I've been trying to think about. And this is all, I'm thinking about this because a couple months ago I went to a camp, like a church camp, and I didn't have my phone with me. And it was just like 3 days without my phone, and it was just so much more, like obviously it was like really beneficial, right? Now granted, I did, like, there were other things to do, like I was hanging out with friends, playing games, like learning, doing all that kind of stuff. So it's not like I was just sitting there doing nothing, right? But like in those little pockets of time where I was like, oh, I'd really want my phone right now, it was nice to just be able to find a different solution for like my boredom or whatever. So there's that. And also just recently I've been trying to, like, me and my sisters have been trying to just stop watching short form content altogether and try to be better with that. So there's that experience. So throughout all of these different experiences, I've been thinking a lot about just trying to starve your attention span. And I thought of that kind of motto, I guess, like a week ago, and I just wrote it down in my notes, and I haven't, like, today I just thought of it again. I was just thinking, starve your attention span, right? Because we have such short attention spans, and we're always wanting something to fill our mind with, right? We're always wanting a constant input. But sometimes you just need to starve your attention span. Like, even like yesterday, I was uploading a video, and I was just waiting for it to upload. And I had the urge to just open my phone and like watch a video while I was waiting for it to upload. And then I was just like, no, it's literally like, it literally says like 30 seconds remaining. So I'm just gonna sit there and watch it count down. I kind of like starved my attention span in that way. And it's just like, it doesn't do anything wrong. And I guess it, like, me sitting there for 30 seconds doesn't do anything, right? But it prevents me from getting on my phone, and it prevents me from getting down a rabbit hole and then ending up wasting more time, right? Because that's happened before. I'll be doing the same thing. I'll wait for something to upload, and then I will open my phone, and then I'll end up spending like 10 minutes rather than just like half a minute, right? So that's just kind of something I've been thinking about a lot recently, just trying to starve your attention span. Like, in those small little pockets of time, just don't do anything, or do something creative, like output rather than input, right? I've talked about this before about using your pockets of time well, but I guess today I want to just say that, like, starve your attention span. Like, if you feel that urge to get on your phone, then just don't, and just sit there in silence. And it seems so like no one wants to do that, right? And it's also like kind of weird, like, oh, I'm just gonna sit here in silence. But it's actually more beneficial than you think, because if you're procrastinating something, then you can like actually get to work on that thing. Or if you don't really have anything that you need to do right now, then you can just sit there and figure out, okay, like, what can I be doing right now, right? Instead of wasting time. And also, like, when those thoughts start to creep in, of like all those anxious thoughts, and you're just sitting there, like, it always helps me to dissect those thoughts and dissect all of my thoughts, and just realize how it's actually not that bad, right? So that's kind of just what I've been thinking about lately. Just starve your attention span. Like, if you have to wait for something, just wait for it. Don't get on your phone, right? We have such short attention spans, and I feel like it's good to be bored, right? Like, in this moment that we're living in, I'm just trying to be bored more often, because whenever I'm bored, it always makes me want to do something, right? It makes me want to take action. And instead of taking action on your phone, take action on something more meaningful, right? So that's just something that I've been thinking about a lot lately, and I think it would be helpful, because it's been helpful for me, even just in these small pockets of time. So hopefully this is helpful to some person out there. If it was helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more videos, daily videos about what I'm learning every single day, kind of how I'm thinking about it, how I'm trying to apply it. So if you want to see that thing, if you want to see that kind of thing, then definitely subscribe. You can, this is the video that I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.